Nanay ko.
Like, tangina, sino ba naman talaga ang tatawagan kung pulis na ang nag-murder?
Wala na. May, ambulance? Ay, putang ina mo, Nate. Sabi ng female friend ko, wala akong mother, so yeah. Sasabi ni MJ, di ba may motherboard ka naman? Ay, sorry, ibang mother.
Hindi ba hindi ba nakaka-offend yun? Like, what? Wala wala na nga siyang mother. Kaya niya pa rin makipaglokohan about sa ganyan. Ilang yun. What the fuck? Baka father po. Isa ka din, sakina talaga.
Oh my god, talaga.
Nawalan na nga ng isang pera sa isang. My god.
Ganda talaga. Okay, next DLC na.
Stepmother!
Mo din. Putang ina mo. You were trying to be quiet. Are you fucking serious?
Wait, patay na siya and then what? Oh my fucking. Wala tayong magagawa kundi yan. Meron? Halo?
AFK ata siya. Sayang, tangina, di ko na-record yung ibang moments natin dito noon.
Anong moments yung what? Anong sa banda?
Nung nag-start tayo ng ay putang ina, ay put.
Kakala!
Takbo! Takbo sa exit!
Meron na pala yung exit. Bahala ka na dyan sa kino. Huwag mo ko tignan. Please lang. Huwag mo ko tignan. Huwag mo ko tignan. Huwag mo ko tignan.
Shotgun yung weakness niya. Shotgun yung weakness niya. Kasi lalapit siya sa inyo.
The dragon attacks and...
Great. Are we done now?
Tina, you can't start your campaign with a boss fight players can't win.
Touche. Okay, everybody back up.
And now, you...
Oh my.
Kill something.
Wait, namatay.
Hindi, nag-give up si Nate. Nag-give up si Nate.
Jesus. You see Sir Reginald von Bartlesby, aristocrat and riddlemeister. If you can solve one of his brain teasers, you'll get the
Oh
reward.
my fucking god.
Well met, adventurers.
Pay
I
attention,
have
pay
a riddle
attention.
for you. I am everyone and no one. Everywhere, nowhere. What do you call me?
Everybody roll your insight stat to see if you can solve that riddle.
I shall repeat the riddle. I am everyone and no one. Everywhere.
Rick, don't slam your dice onto the board. You broke Tina's figurine.
Whoops.
You won. Yay.
So what was the answer to the riddle?
I don't know.
So, Jericho, ano? Sabi mo?
Nakakaputang ina. Pinag-iisipan ko maigi yung sasabihin, mamamatay lang sa harapan ko.
I've got just the thing.
Ginagago lang.
Gawin yung ginawa ni Nathan dyan. Alam mo nga. To get through! To get back to the land, you must answer this riddle.
Putang ina talaga. Dala ko dito.
Putang,
Bye!
putang ina. I want the two of you to go down here. I want you to look at their level.
Where you going?
We're exploring.
Nakikita mo yung level nila, Jericho?
Not want to do that. I only
You
balanced
may
the combat
not
on the main
want
weapon.
to do that. What do you mean? Oh. Yan. Okay, never mind. Alis na ako. Okay, never mind. You may not. Yep, yep.
Combat balance.
Oh my god. Ultra what?
Ultra super badass.
100 what?
Oo.
Gagi, ilang damage reduction yun?
Let's say 5% for every one level.
What the fuck? Hindi, wait, patay na?
Oo, binaba yung level nila.
Ay, binaba yung level niya.
Hmm.
Akala ko naman napatay niyo na tayo mismo talaga yung 101. Kaya dapat di niya binaba?
Ay, gusto mo ng level 101, wala na tayong damage dyan.
Talaga wala tayong damage.
Kasi kapag 10 level sila,
You got a
80%
choice
na
in
yung
a
damage
hose. Do you
reduction.
bring Ellie the bulky armor, or do you grab the more boobalicious metal bikini for her?
O, 10, 80, 240%. Oh my god.
The forest. Nasa forest tayo. Ay, putang. Putang ina, nasa baba.
Wait, pwede mo ba itaas yung well?
Baba ka nga, Jericho. Putang ina. Bakit hindi ka bumaba, Jericho?
Oo, hindi mo ba? Takina.
Funny moment.
Paano ka makakakuha ng tubig na walang handle yes?
Funny moment, Jericho. Think of the funny moment. Kapag low level enemies.
Go. Pag early lang siya, daw, sa torrent. Pero kapag late game na daw, maganda daw siya kapag pure DPS na with
Ay,
magandang guns.
Jericho, nakikita mo to. Dalawang PC.
Wait. Bug ba yan o ano? O sadyang,
Trees are alive!
ganyan talaga. What the hell?
What the fuck?
I moved here
Magjowa ba
after
kayo?
Sora burned my village down.
Ew, bakla.
Find
Ikaw ba si Axton tsaka si Salvador?
Ang ina.
Bugang! O, tatlo na kami.
Yung mga magkapatid.
Sige, ako rin, sama rin ako. O yan, tatlo na kami.
Dalawang white, isang niga.
Uy! Hindi. Hindi makikita magkakambal kami kasi magkakamukha sila. Ampun lang ako.